So looking right here on my screen, I have a balance of 7,000 naira 325. So I'm going to do a live withdrawal with you in this particular video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you step by step how I did to make this money and how you to replicate what I did in order to make this kind of money for yourself with just your smartphone and your WhatsApp. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the very end, as I'm gonna be leaving no stone unturned. So before we dive into the video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. So without more delay of your time, let's dive into the video, guys. So all I need to do is to click on this cash out right now. So after I click this cash out, I'm going to go ahead and enter my bank details right here. So let me click on this right now. So after I put my bank details, I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular section. I'm going to withdraw 6,300 right now. So let me click on it and click on withdraw, confirm. So as you can see right here, withdrawal request submitted. So it's now on pending review. So they will review this withdrawal and release my money into my bank. So I'm gonna be guiding you how you can do the exact same thing, and of course to get the exam result on what I did on this particular platform. So all you need to do is to click the first link in the description section of this video. So it will take you to this particular interface where you can register with this particular platform. So how do you make money on this platform? So all you need to do is to register and connect this particular website with your WhatsApp. So this particular website, you can rent your WhatsApp to them so they can advertise and you can make money. So all you need to do is to come to this section right here. Then after you click on it, it will show you where you can sign up with your details. So right here, you can sign up through email or phone number. So a very big advice that I want to give you guys, make sure you have a separate WhatsApp account that you can use in order to make money with this platform. Don't use with your WhatsApp that you can chat with your family and friends. So if you are using a normal WhatsApp, make sure you download a business WhatsApp and to connect it with this particular platform. So after you successfully register, so I already have an account right now, so I don't want to create another one. So after you successfully register with your account, I'm going to show you how you can connect this particular website with your WhatsApp. So let me show you right now. So after you successfully register with this platform, all you need to do is to come to this center button right here. So click on it. It will show you something like this. So you can click on this link with a phone number. So this is where you can link your WhatsApp with this particular website. So all you need to do is to put the phone number that you create this account with it. So after you put that particular phone number, so this particular website will send you a code. So let me click on get a key in right now. So it's loading, getting verification code. So as you can see right here, they have sent me this particular code. Where are you going to put this particular code on your WhatsApp? So let me show you. So after they send you that code, all you need to do is to click on this hamburger icon at the top of this website. At the top of your WhatsApp, this three dot right here. So you can go ahead and click on it. It will show you something like this: link devices. So you can click on link a device, use a mobile data. So put your fingerprint So this is come right here at the bottom, link with phone number instead. So this is where you can go ahead and put that particular code that they send you on your account on their platform. So after you successfully put this code, so it will show them you have already connected, so you can start making money right away. So this is what I did to make that kind of amount of money for myself, and you too can replicate what I did in order to make this amount of money. So as you can see right here, the money still is increasing right now. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp group and my Telegram community. The link are in the description box below. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.